Hello, and welcome to the Process Communication Model, an award-winning personality and communication theory developed by the American psychologist Dr. Taby Kaler, with a wide range of applications in communication, team development, sales, conflict management, and coaching. PCM is like the user manual we never got for our own personalities. And when applied to groups, the model acts like an X-ray system for a team's collective behavioral DNA. The Process Communication Model will help you dramatically improve communication. Reduce conflicts. Motivate individuals and teams through a simple yet in-depth understanding of the human personality. So how does it work? Usually, we focus on the content, on what the other person is saying. We have been taught this in school, and we have probably been practicing it for the better part of our lives. So by now, it has become a habit. In contrast, PCM will help you become more aware of the communication process, the how the other person is communicating. Through second-by-second observation of the process, you will learn the best way to get your message across. A key concept in the Process Communication Model is the architecture of our personality. This illustrates the structure and complexity of the human personality, and it will help you understand and manage the interpersonal dynamics. We do not focus on types of people, we rather look at types in people, as everyone has all 6 types in them, tending to communicate mostly through the strongest personality, the base. In just minutes of interaction, PCM will teach you how the people around you perceive the world and what perceptions they use most often in interaction. This is important because even when looking at the same thing, the way we perceive the world might show us very different things. PCM will show you what character strengths are the most energized in yourself and in others, and how to use these strengths more often. Discover the 8 fundamental psychological needs and how to identify them and satisfy them. These needs are what motivates us the most. Discover the management style that matches your personality and what sort of interaction approach do the people around you need in order to be most productive. Learn how to read the first signs of distress in business or personal interactions and how to safely manage the distress sequences you or others enter in order to create constructive outcomes. The Pcm methodology is based on 1 million profiles and 40 years of research and practice. It has been used extensively by NASA and also in the communication training of former American President Bill Clinton. PCM focuses on the process level of communication. This is why it leads to a better understanding and interaction regardless of age, industry, hierarchy, or cultural background. Do you think PCM is of interest to you? Or would you love to deepen your relationships? Do you like the concept of PCM? Grab this opportunity and boost your personal impact. Imagine a well-working team where you have more time to reflect on deeper issues. Do you believe it will add value to your business? Contact us today.